Blue Ternate Bread, a unique and colorful twist on classic bread. Ingredients: dried blue ternate flowers 10 to 15 flowers, hot water 1 cup, bread flour 3 cups, yeast 1 packet, sugar to TBSP, salt 1 tsp, olive oil to TBSP, warm water 1 cup. Instructions: steep dried flowers in hot water until the water turns blue, then strain and let it cool. In a large bowl, mix the warm water, yeast, and sugar. Let it sit until frothy. Add the blue ternate tea, flour, salt, and olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise until doubled in size about 1 to 2 hours. Punch down the dough, shape it into a loaf, and place it in a greased loaf pan. Let it rise again until doubled. Preheat the oven to 375 F190C and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Cool before slicing and serving.